Hello. Okay, we was seeing about advantages, right? It is easy to remember brand name of drug, right? Then it is easy to communicate with patient, right? By which the patient get a easy understanding, right? The continuity can be maintained every time by prescribing medicines with the brand name, right? Means the doctor prescribing brand name to one patient, they can also able to prescribe same brand name to the another patient. That means there is a maintaining of continuity, that is right. Then fourth is bioavailability of drug will change with change of adjuvant by different manufacturers. Okay, adjuvant means there is a excipient. The excipient need to prepare any kind of dosage form, right? So then bioavailability, right? As I am said, the bioavailability, the simple meaning of this is presence of active drug in systemic circulation. Systemic circulation means our blood, right? Our blood means presence of active drug in systemic circulation in our blood, right? That is bioavailability. Okay, in this advantages, the bioavailability of the drug will change with change of adjuvant. If we change the adjuvant of any kind of dosage form, there is chances of changing the bioavailability, right? Hence there is a saying, different manufacturer means if one company prepare medicines with adjuvants, right, with different adjuvants, right, that time may changes chances of changing the bioavailability of drug. That's why it is become very easier that branded, if we prescribe with branded medicines, then there is a chances of better viability, right? Chances of getting better bioavailability, right? Means सपोज करो एक मैन्युफैक्चरर है, वो एक ड्रग बना रहा है, उसमें कुछ एडजुवेंट्स है, ठीक है, एंड देन अनदर एक मैन्युफैक्चरर है, वो भी सेम ड्रग बना रहा है विथ डिफरेंट एडजुवेंट्स. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दी बायोअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट डिफरेंट ब्रांडेड ड्रग, राइट? इसकी वजह से अगर हम ब्रांडेड नेम थ्रू अगर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तब जाके हमें चांसेस होगा कि बेटर बायोअवेलेबिलिटी वाला मेडिसिन हम प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकेंगे, ठीक है. बायोअवेलेबिलिटी मतलब प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्टिव ड्रग इन सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन. ओके, देन डिसएडवांटेजेस. it was the advantages. Okay, this is the disadvantages, that is it is become difficult to dispense this substitute drug by pharmacist available in stock, right? There is a one disadvantages of prescribing branded name medicines, right? That is a, if we prescribe the branded medicines with a branded name, may there is a chances of arising difficulties to the pharmacist when pharmacist dispense medicines. They quickly not remember the substitute of drug, right? They are not able to remember the substitute of that particular prescribed drug, right, which is already available in stock, that is in pharmacy or in medical store, right? मीन्स यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि अगर ब्रांडेड नेम से अगर हम प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तब जाकर फार्मासिस्ट को दिक्कत आती है डिस्पेंसिंग के वक्त कि उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट जो है उसे याद रखना या फिर ढूंढना, ठीक है, इन स्टॉक मीन्स जो फार्मेसी में ऑलरेडी मेडिसिन अवेलेबल है वहाँ पे। ओके, इसकी वजह से एक डिफ़िकल्टी है। देन 4 टाइप ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड बाय रिटेल फार्मासिस्ट। दिस इज नॉट अ disadvantages, this is another part. Okay, this is another part, right? This is another part, that is 4 type of prescription received by retail pharmacist, right? मीन्स पे टाइप ऑफ कुछ टाइप दिया गया है प्रिस्क्रिप्शन का, ठीक है, जो जनरली रिसीव करता है रिटेल फार्मासिस्ट मीन्स और मेडिकल स्टोर वाला। रिटेल फार्मासिस्ट मतलब मेडिकल स्टोर वाला, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट इज जनरल प्रैक्टिस प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, देन प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, देन आउट पेशेंट दैट इज हॉस्पिटल में आउट पेशेंट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, देन इन पेशेंट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, ठीक है। जनरल प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मतलब कौन सी भी काइंड ऑफ, कौन सी भी टाइप के या फिर कौन सी भी डॉक्टर के पास से आने वाला प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, मतलब जनरल, जो जनरल डॉक्टर होते हैं, ठीक है, उनके तरफ से जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन आते हैं उससे जनरल प्रैक्टिस वाले बोलते हैं। देन प्राइवेट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मीन्स फॉर स्पेशलिटी, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल से आने वाले। ओके, देन आउट पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल मीन्स हॉस्पिटल में आने वाले, हॉस्पिटल में आने वाले जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रहते हैं, मतलब बाहर से जो हॉस्पिटल में आने वाले प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रहते हैं उसे आउट पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बोला जाता है। एंड देन इन पेशेंट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटल मीन्स हॉस्पिटल में जो ऑलरेडी एडमिटेड है, ठीक है, उनका जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन आता है हॉस्पिटल में उसे इन पेशेंट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कहा जाता है। ओके, दिस इज द 4 काइंड ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन which is generally received by the retail pharmacist. Retail pharmacist means our medical store वाला। okay, this is the type of modern prescription. This nowadays, not nowadays, on modern days, 21st, from the 21st century, 20th century and from 21st century, this kind of prescription are prescribing, right? That it is all about the modern method of prescription. Okay, let's see sources of error in prescription. Okay, this is our next topic, right? That is sources of error in prescription, right? Means from where we will get a error in our prescription when doctor write a prescription, then may chances of happening or creating a some error, right? Error means some problem. Okay, these are the some sources, these are the some point by this may chances of arising a problem in prescription during prescribe, ठीक है। डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिखते हैं तब जाके सम काइंड ऑफ एरर आने का चांसेस रहते हैं, और वो जो एरर आते हैं फ्रॉम दिस सोर्सेस, राइट? सो फर्स्ट सोर्सेस इज एब्रिविएशन, then name of drug, strength of prescription, then dose from the prescribed drug, then doses from the prescribed drug, right? Doses form of the prescribed drug, then doses, then instruction for patient, then incompatibilities, right? This is the, I think this is the new word for you, right? Incompatibility means Generally this word used in pharmaceutical subject, right? This is the pharma word, right? In pharma sector generally this word is used. Incompatible means incompatibilities, means something is incompatible or not compatible with another, right? Something is not compatible with another, that is incompatibility. The our second chapter is a incompatibilities in prescription. That's why you just remember incompatible means not compatible. You just for now you just remember incompatibility means not compatible. Okay, this chapter we will see in our next lecture, right? So let's begin. First is abbreviations, right? First is abbreviations. The first point from abbreviations, that is abbreviations create a problems to understand the prescription order, right? Thus care should be taken by pharmacist in interpreting the abbreviations. Then second point, pharmacist should not guess the difficult abbreviations, right? Then there is one example. Doctors intentionally prescribed acrostatin with a short form acro, but pharmacist dispensed acromycins. Okay, but pharmacist dispensed acromycins. Okay, suppose doctor prescribe a prescription, right, with abbreviations or short form, right? If doctor prescribe a prescription with a short form of drug, then there is a chances of confusing happening with the pharmacist if pharmacist not familiar with that short form, right? That short form. So that's why there is a that is called error. If pharmacist not understand carefully that already given short form, then it's may chances of creating confusion. Okay, means there is chances of arising a difficulty or error or problems, right? At this particular situation, there is a on instruction for pharmacist that pharmacist should not guess the difficult abbreviations. If pharmacist not able to understand that particular abbreviations, that time they should not guess that difficult abbreviations, right? अगर डॉक्टर एब्रीविएशंस के नाम से प्रिस्क्रिप्शन प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तब जाके क्या होगा, फार्मासिस्ट को केयरफुल उसे रीड करना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज उसे अगर वो फेमिलियर नहीं रहा तो मे बी एरर या फिर प्रॉब्लम आने का चांसेस होगा और गलती से अदर ड्रग प्रिस्क्राइब करेगा. ठीक है, और ऐसे सिचुएशन में फार्मासिस्ट को गेस करके एब्रीविएशन गेस करके अपने मन से कौन सा भी ड्रग प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं करना है. ठीक है, hence pharmacist should not guess the difficult abbreviations. For example, there is one example that is for better understanding of you, that is a doctor intentionally prescribed acrostatin with short form acro. Doctor intentionally need to prescribe acrostatin drug, but he wrote a short form of acrostatin. That time if pharmacist not able to understand the acro, then he should not dispense according to his opinion, right? If doctor need to prescribe acrostatin by writing a acronym, but pharmacist dispensed acromycin, okay, that time there is a happening error. डॉक्टर को एक्रोस्टेटिन प्रिस्क्राइब करना है, बट उसने शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखा है एक्रो, और जो फार्मासिस्ट है वो गलती से एक्रोस्टेटिन देने को चाहिए था, लेकिन उसने एक्रोमाइसिन दिया है, तो देयर इज अ चांसेस ऑफ हैपनिंग एरर. ओके.